kids, it's me, Tony, and look, I have my second CurlBox. And I have a pretty good idea who the products we're getting, because this was sitting on top of the box. So I'm going to guess it's all Cantu products, which is funny because I just bought something from Cantu over the weekend. But this is a thick hair edge brush for thick, curly, coily hair. Oh, my hair's not thick. But it would be good for distributing product. So let's see what else. What's in the box? Pretty. These cash editions. Well, that's what you think. Okay. And yes, it is all from Cantu. Ooh. I can't wait. Play with prints. Okay, let's find out what we got. What's this say? What's this? Oh, let's see what I got. Ooh, this is awesome stuff. Oh, it's, oh my gosh, high tech. It's an anti-snap, non-slip grip, sturdy double lift pick. I used to have a pick a long time ago. Featuring a non-slip grip to lift and add volume with ease. Oh, cool. I like that. Okay, what else? Oh, this is fun. This is a fun box. They slide on fashion, but although I do have a girlfriend that would just like go nuts for this. But we'll see. I want to be nice or not. And look how cute that is. A stretch band that adds extra style to your look. Now, the problem is, most of the time, these fall off my head. So if it falls off my head, my girlfriend will get it. If it doesn't fall off my head, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine again. Okay. This is stuff I just bought. I think it is. I was not to put it. This is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. Defines, moisturizes, and strengthens strands. Yeah, because this doesn't have all the stuff. I'm trying to do the curly girl process. I'm trying that out, which means you put a bunch of product on your hair, which I haven't really done before. That's better. So this is smooth into damp hair section by section. Can be used on dry hair to re-moisturize curls. I think this is, I'm pretty sure this is what I bought. There's a jar about this size. I'll have to go look. But I can already tell you this stuff smells wonderful. So I don't even have to do that. It's more edge stuff. Yeah. Extra hold, edge, stay gel. I don't really, I gave the one from last month to a friend. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll try it again. I don't know. With the curly process, it might be good just to kind of slick it away from my forehead. So, I don't know. So let's try that. What do we got? We got, ooh, what is this? This is Shea Butter Natural Hair Style Stay. Oh, it's crunch free. Oh yay. Frizz free finisher. So let's see. Mist from 6 inches away onto finish style to hold and control. Well, that's a good idea. Well, that sounds nice. I think I like that. This is a good box. And then this is Curl Stretcher Creamlets. Minimizes shrinkage. Humidity resistant. Okay, I don't know about that, so I have to read about this. Elongate strands for easy air dry or blow dry styles. Probably not something I need. Loosen texture to add manageability. Okay, I'll try it. Apply to damp hair, leave in hair 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it out. Okay, so it's a conditioner. So I'll just use it as a conditioner and see how it works. So that, I wonder what it smells. Oh, it's got a cool little pump. Okay, everything smells like coconut. Coconut, with a little rum, that's all we need. Okay, I do want to check this out. Okay, so see, this is good because this will give you a lot more lift than just the single ones. And it's kind of it's not real slick. I like that. Because that's the problem with curly hair when it gets longer, is the top is kind of flat. So this will be good to keep the top. Okay, I'm excited. I just think this is so cute. So cute. Easy wrap. It's gonna slide off my head. I'm gonna bitch in it though. Which is such a bummer because I really like it. But my girlfriend will love the fact that she gets it. And this. So this is like what we used to call a rat tail comb. Only this is more like a rat tail brush. So there's all the little, oh, that'll be good for putting in product. Cool. Okay, I like this box better than the first one because the first one, I don't know, a lot of the stuff isn't really stuff I would use. I'm using the conditioner and the shampoo and the mousse, but I did give away the other 2 items. But I like this because it's like tools. I can use tools. And this is just so cute that it's not good one, but if it works, it stays in my hair, I'll take a picture. If it doesn't, you won't see a picture. Okay? That's my box. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Do all sorts of different things. And so one of them is this. I'm trying these out because I have naturally curly hair. And I'm trying to find products that really help it because my Pantene just doesn't do it anymore. Anyway, that's it. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.